Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm from the Institute of Biostatistics and Analysis, where I work as biostatistician, and I'm here on behalf of Czech Registry. Together with Johan, we will talk about the proof of concept study. In the first part, I will talk about the Czech registry and why we want to share our data with WBDR, and after me, Johan will introduce the proof. Czech registry is a national registry collecting patients with hemophilia A, B, von Willebrand disease and other deficiencies. It was established in a similar way as British registry. The administrator of the registry is Czech National Hemophilia Program Society, with Jan Blatný as a leader. The registry is its core activity. The owners of the data are respective hemophilia centers. Data management and data analysis is provided by our institute. IBA is a spin-off company of the Masaryk University in Czech. We conduct many types of projects, mainly non-interventional studies and registries. Currently, we have about 100 ongoing projects in many fields of interest. Our role in the Czech registry is, as I mentioned, project management, complete data management, and data analysis. Data in Czech registry is collecting in 16 centers since year 2005. The primary objective was standardization of care in our country. We are focused on common treatment outcomes such as annual bleeding rate, factor consumption, incidence of inhibitors, and so on. And we obtain also data for cost effectiveness analysis and HTH. Data are collected by data managers in each center. We have the registry is database. The database is running in our own electronic data capture system developed by our institute. Each patient has to sign informed consent, respecting legal requirements, including hot topic GDPR. The structure of our registry is quite wide. So briefly, we collect data at the time of patient entrance into the registry. In that time, the personal data and data about diagnosis are filled, and after that, follow-up report is filled every year. In that form, data on annual bleeding rate, consumption, inhibitor level are filled. These reports are filled latest at the beginning of next year. So currently we have fresh data from year 2017. And as you can see, we have 1,458 patients, valid patients, and half of them with hemophilia A or B. It means that our data managers has to fill about 1,500 new reports every year and many other forms. And it would be very difficult to enter the same data into two registries. But at the same time, we are interested to have data in the WBDR. So that's why we decided to join our data. Because we feel that a global registry is necessary to collect data in such rare disease as hemophilia, Thanks to the global registry, we obtain relevant epidemiological data which are from the real life and which are more generalized compared to clinical trials, as it was mentioned before. And clinicians obtain important feedback, and also it gives strategic data for decision-making, health technology assessment, and cost-effectiveness data. Our registry is a pilot study for integration because we have well-established and well-defined clinical registry, even though we are a small country. We have our own EDC system, which enables modifications if needed. And we have also experience with data sharing. We are connected with WOPS database in McMaster University. We send them our data every day and receive pharmacokinetics results. Going to the proof of concept study regarding integration of our data, we don't plan so complicated interface because we will send our data only once a year because we collect them on annual basis. The objective is to develop a simple and cost-effective methodology of data transfer from our registry to the WBDR, integrating an only optimal or crucial set of parameters. The end goal is to create a standard process to accept the identified patient data from existing patient registries, while ensuring patient privacy and data security. We are conducting a proof of concept study, which is collaboration between WBDR, Health Solutions, and Czech National Hemophilia Program. And I will ask Johan, will continue with more technical details. Thanks.